Early rumors point out that we can see more upgrade in camera department of Galaxy Z Flip 5. The latest rumor claim that Samsung will still utilize the same 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel layout once again. But the actual camera sensor will be new one, so we could potentially the gearing for a sensible improvement. In the overall image quality, even that the megapixel jump it is not expected at this point. We accept the Samsung will offer the Galaxy Z Flip 5 three different storage variants, starting with an entry-level 128GB and more spaces to 256GB of storage, and topping it all up with the 512GB storage variation. As Samsung and pretty much the industry as well whole moved away from micro SD card, a 1TB storage variation certainly would not make it to the spaces sheet either, as it would be more suited to the business like Galaxy Z Fold 5. Due to the compact dimension and overall size, we accept to see the Z Flip 5. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 will likely have a battery in the ballpark of 3700 battery. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 will likely arrive with whatever the future hold for Samsung One UI interface running on top Android 13. Due to the limited display real estate, we don't expect any of the exclusive multitasking feature of Z Fold series to port over the more compact Z Flip. The desktop-like dock is a no-go. Certainly, Samsung's latest software is One UI 5.1 have been released to millennium of Galaxy phone in early February. It comes with some minor improvement on deck. One UI was the much more important update, including a customizable lock screen, better privacy, and most important, a much snapper interface with the better overall performance in comparison with the One UI 4. Rumors have in both the Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5 will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 chipset, which is yet to see the light of a day officially. There will not be Exynos variation of Z Flip 5 destined for all other markets except for the US on. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.